could hear my voice today, I guess. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to get a Teamspeak client soundboard. It is very simple. So, all you want to do is type in, or go in the description and type in Teamspeak soundboard. Once you get to Teamspeak soundboard, go to the one that says Camp Front. I can't pronounce that, but it'll say TS3 soundboard plugin, streaming music and sounds to ... Okay, so it'll take you to this. It'll look like this if you're on that, and what you're gonna want to do is go to the newest version, and then whatever you're on, click the download and what operating system you are. If you don't know what your operating system is, just right-click your computer, go to Properties, and then go to System Type. Mine is a 32-bit operating system, so I am going to click the 32-bit operating system. It'll download, and you want to open it. Once you open it, you want to click Yes. Once you do that, you install. Once you install it, just go through all that. I already have one, so I will not install it. But once you have it installed, go into your Teamspeak client. And when you get into your Teamspeak client, go into, one sec. You gotta first connect into one.
Connected.
So, I'm connected into one.
Channel switched.
And you would go to, God, you cannot see anything. You want to go to settings. You want to go to plugins and make sure there's soundboard there. You want to check it, and bam, something like this will pop up. And you want to close it. And if you don't see anything like this, and you see like a playlist or something, just close the playlist and then go to plugins, go to soundboard, and then do show soundboard, and this will pop up. You will not have any sounds. I will be showing you how to get sounds also. To get sounds, there's very easy. I'm going to be showing you three best ways. Actually, no, two best ways. First one is to go to Zedge. If you go to Zedge, it'll take you to the free ringtones, themes, wallpapers, games, millions of things. This is a trusted app. You can do it on your phone, anything. And you want to go up here and click ringtones. Ringtones, you can find some really fun ones. So I want Jumping Squirrel. You probably won't be able to hear that. But yeah, the Drunken Squirrel is a very funny one. I love it. I have it on my phone. You would do get ringtone. Do not do the advertisement. Download ringtone. That's a virus. I've tested it. Okay, you're almost there. It says just click download, and it'll go down here, and it'll make an MP3 for it. I will put in the sound of it if you guys really want to. I'm probably going to edit it in there. But then you have the Drunken Squirrel. This is really good, and you want to probably go into your music folder and drag and drop your sound. When you drag and drop your sound, mine is Drunken_Squirrel. When you drag and drop your sound into music, X out of that, and then right click a blank one. I'm going to right click this one and go to music. Always music, do not do sound. And then you want to go to music, and then find Drunken Squirrel, which is what I got, and then we're going to that. Then when you click it, you will hear the sound. This is how much they hear, the people hear, and this is how loud you hear it. God, this one is so amazing. And you right click it and do set caption. I'm going to do drum. freaking squirrel. I can't. I spelled it wrong. I don't care. Okay, there you have one. And you can talk over these things, so you don't like need to. So I'm gonna go into a channel real quick.
Channel switched.
Okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna show you the
User left
the
your
guy
channel.
that show this YouTube thing that it works.
Nice. Oh,
That
I
you
never
guys can
linked
hear
your
it.
YouTube channel.
You guys hear it, right?
No.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't hear.
Yeah, you
You
do.
should stop playing
I don't
it now.
understand.
Well, there
Fuck
they
you
go.
so hard.
They can't even hear you anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Channel switched.
Alright. Alright, so they're kind of mean, so you know, we're gonna stop that. Oh god. Show the soundboard. And we're gonna show you how to get another one. So you just go to the Google Explorer again, go to YouTube. Once you go into YouTube, find a sound effect you want. Say you want a song. I'm going to get, what sound effect should I get?
You can pull the earth remnants back to you dealing damage, and then you can roll. Yeah. Not to mention his alt is you have to get the enemies magnetized and then kick earth remnants at them to have the earth remnants explode to deal damage. It's super tough.
Weeks, of course. Hopefully still here on Soft Furnishings because it's my favourite spot to do the show. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you very much.
Well, something certainly smells good in the kitchen. Let's check that out.
Hey guys, well I've got a fantastic brunch recipe today. Smoked salmon bagels with crushed avocado, some cherry tomatoes and scrambled eggs. Really simple.
Cook the man some fucking eggs, bitch!
That works. This is a great video. You should all leave a link in the description to it. And once you do it, copy the copy this, and then go back, and then go type in YouTube MP3 or MP4. It's a converter, just, and then paste it. Convert video. Make sure it's the right video. Download it. Here it is. It's loading. And I'm going to put it into my music folder. So music shortcut, and then you do the same thing. So I hope this helped you guys out. They could actually hear it, trust me. If you try it out with your friends should hear it. And if they don't hear it, just comment and I will try and fix it for you. But I'm going to tell you one thing: the push to talk stops working when you have your soundboard open all the time. You're also, if you see that happening and you want push to talk, you gotta go to plugins and then uncheck the soundboard and then close it, and then push to talk will work again. And every time you want to use your soundboard, just go do that. Go to settings, options, oh god, wrong one. Settings, plugins, and then just check it, and then you can start playing your sounds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll talk to you guys later.